In front of me is LENOVO Tab One, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Security and Privacy section available here. Then scroll again, and this time tap on Privacy Controls right under Privacy. Then scroll again to click on Permission Manager. Following that, pick any feature you wanna manage, like calendar, and select one of your apps under one of those sections, allowed or not allowed. Click on one and pick one of those options to manage permission. In my case, calendar access for this app, allow or don't allow. I will go with allow, so when I tap and go back, I can see that photos gained access to my device's calendar. But here's what most people miss. You can pick any feature and only click on an app you are interested in. I entered contacts only to manage my Chrome, so I can tap on it, scroll all the way down and click on this tiny sentence at the bottom, see all permissions. Now you can manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!